Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to explain a simple and effective UPSC study plan that any beginner can follow. UPSC is one of the toughest exam in India, but with the right plan and consistency, anyone can crack it. Today, I will share a clear, practical and steady method that thousands of aspirants use successfully. The first step is understanding the syllabus, but UPSC does not accept you to study everything. It accepts you to study relevant topics. So read the syllabus of prelims, mains and optional subject again and again until it becomes a crystal clear in your mind. Step 2. Choose the right books. Start with the NCERT books from 6th to 12th. They build your fundamentals. Then move to standard books like Lakshmikant for polity, Spectrum for modern history, and so on. Don't buy too many books. Buy less books but study them more times. Step 3. Make a daily study routine. Plan for 6 to 8 hours of study every day. Break it like this: 2 hours polity, 2 hours history or geography, 2 hours current affairs, 1 hour optional subject. Consistency is more important than long hours. Or current affairs. Spend at least 1 hour on a good newspaper, The Hindu or Indian Express. Focus on concepts, not political drama. Use your monthly current affair magazines to revise important topics. Step 5. Practice MCQ and answer writing. For prelims, practice MCQ every day. These improve accuracy and confidence. For mains, write answers daily. Even if you write 1 or 2 answers per day, your writing speed and structures will improve a lot. Step 6. Revision is the key. UPSC success is 30% study and 70% revision. Revise every week, every month and especially before exams. When you revise again and again, you remember naturally. Step 7. Stay healthy and motivated. Take care of your body, sleep well, exercise 20 minutes daily. A fresh mind studies faster. Avoid comparing yourselves with others. UPSC is a personal journey. So, this is a simple and effective IAS study plan for a daily, and you will see a real progress. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more UPSC content. Thank you for watching.